Hi, I am 𝗟𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁 and today we are diving into the Market Facilitation Index. I will guide you through how it works and how you can use it to enhance your trading strategy with LightningChart 𝗟𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗁 Trader. The Market Facilitation Index combines price range and volume to assess market efficiency. The color-coded histogram simplifies interpretation, helping traders quickly understand market conditions. The formula calculates how efficiently the market moves prices. The histogram bars and their color indicate key market states, such as momentum or consolidation. Each color offers insight into market conditions. Green suggests strong trends. Brown implies indecision. Blue reflects low activity, and pink warns of price movement without strong participation. Recognizing these colors helps traders anticipate potential market moves. Use green bars to confirm trends and avoid trades during pink bars. Market Facilitation Index is also excellent for detecting consolidation and preparing for breakouts. With LightningChart 𝗟𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗁 Trader, you can customize and monitor the MFI histogram in real time, gaining a deeper understanding of market dynamics for more informed decisions.